Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about a countdown timer plugin. So with the help of this plugin you will be able to add specific counter on a countdown on your WordPress website. Like if there is an event on your WordPress website, or there is a sale coming up on your WordPress website, or do you want to showcase something on your WordPress website after 10 days, 1 month, 1 year, you can always have a engaging countdown on running on your website, right? As you can see, this kind of countdown which is really good and attractive, right? If I go to the live preview button, and this will redirect to the official website where you can see the real example what we are going to do in this video. So let it load, then you will get an example. And if you want to know more about this plugin, you can always come to this section and read the whole documentation of this particular plugin. So as you can see, these are some really good example of the countdown which we are going to make, right? So to start the video, first of all you need to buy this plugin. I have already bought this plugin, and I'm assuming that you have already bought this plugin and it is on your system right now. So our next step is to install this particular plugin on our WordPress website, right? So coming back to my WordPress website, which is youtube.smeharanclub.com. This is a really good looking, amazing e-commerce website up and running on this domain. So if you guys are really interested in how you can make a e-commerce website with super easy steps, do let me know in the comment section. I will really make a video about it and help you out. So you are on the domain. To log into your dashboard, you need to type youtube.smeharanclub.com/wp admin. So basically what I have done is I have first entered my domain name /wp admin. So whatever your domain name, it might be xyz.com/wp admin, and hit enter. You will be redirected to your dashboard. Cool enough. So as you can see, this is the dashboard, and if you're logging in for the first time, it will ask you for the username and password which you have entered while you were installing WordPress on your cPanel, right? So this is the dashboard or the backend. We are going to install our plugin here. As you can see on the left hand side, there are a lot of menu section. So with the help of this section, you will be able to modify some things, create some things, design new things. I'll tell you all. So let me tell you what kind of plugin right now we have installed on our website. As you can see, we have Elementor, which is one of the best page builder out there, with the help of which you will be able to create some section with super easy step, drag and drop, as simple as it is. And we have WooCommerce. With the help of WooCommerce, you will be able to create an e-commerce website up and running on WordPress. Super easy, simple steps, right? So we have to add a plugin also. So basically plugins are some file which will help your WordPress website to extend some functionality. If you need a slider, there has to be slider plugin, right? So that is it. So I will just click on add new and try to add a new plugin. As you can see, the WordPress provide you a number of free plugin, isn't it? So if you scroll down, you will see there are a lot of free plugins, but the thing is, the free plugin also consists of some kind of premium plugins. For example, if we talk about Yoast SEO, Yoast SEO is a very popular and good and perfect plugin for SEO. But the thing is, their main and amazing feature has been logged inside the premium plugin. If you want to unlock that feature, you need to buy a premium plugin. So I generally prefer you, if you have a little bit of money to invest, always invest that money on buying a good theme or buying a good plugin, right? That will really help you a lot in future. So I will just click on upload, select the file where it is located, and if I'm not wrong, it was somewhere here. I will select the file, click on install. So generally it totally don't take that much of time. As you can see, it has been installed successfully. I'll click on activate, and the plugin has been successfully activated. As you can see, here it is. So I have to come to this section, countdown timer, and we have to create a new widget. Okay, create a new widget. I will name it as timer. Okay, cool. And if you scroll down, then you will see there are different type of template for the timer. So this is the type when you want to start the timer. Okay, so do you want it to be like a remaining timer, or do you want a start to finish timer, start to finish number countdown? So it will count down from 1 to 10 for automatically. Remaining countdown, that how many hours has been remaining for your particular sale. Or start to finish, that how many days has been left. So start to finish is like you have to enter the start date or start time when you are going to start this timer, and when this timer is going to end, right? So here is the position where you want to locate this timer. So particularly, do you want to locate this timer on a specific position of your website, or do you want it to be static top bar, as you can see like this, or do you want to be a floating top bar which you can always close it whenever you want, or floating bottom bar, as you see. So let it be a static top bar. Okay, and you can change the content with the help of this section. And counter label is always here, days, time and hour, days, time and hour, you can always change that, no issues in that. And button section, so here is the section with the help of which you can change the button links and everything that you see here, shop now. And coming to the style section, here is some layouts and style which has been provided by the theme default. As you can see, you can initially pick any of the style you want. And holiday theme, like if there is a specific holiday upcoming, you can always select this, like Black Friday sale, this is really looking amazing, or Valentine, or Thanksgiving. Let it be Cyber Monday. Okay, it's look really good. Okay, so apart from that, you can change the color of anything like the background or the text color. And you can have some animation like slide in animation. As you can see, it's going really good. Let it be. So we will save this, and we will see how it is looking right now on our website. Coming back to the website, and there has to be a top bar, right? This was saved as a top bar if I'm not wrong. Let me come back here and see the setting. It is saved as a top bar, and I just have to save it, right? That is, so generally, if you want to add the this particular top bar, you just have to grab the short code. This isn't going to be automatically added. I will just save this and copy this. And coming back to the site, this is my site. I will add that particular code on this website with the help of Elementor. Coming back to the section here, and we will try to edit a single section and put it that code. Let me check what kind of this thing is looking right now. It is a top bar. Let it be like install required position, and I'll just save it. Come here. This is all just for the demo purpose. You can always do anything whatever you feel like, right? I will just edit this section. Let me close this and add a new section. Add new here, and we will try to add a HTML section. Okay, and drag and drop here and paste the shortcode, update it. And coming back to the website, just refresh it, and I'm pretty sure that timer has been imported successfully. As you can see, this is looking really amazing. Like, this is showcasing that you have a sale just after the 4 days, right? This is really good looking. So I hope you really get my point, how you can add a really beautiful looking countdown timer on your website. So I want to wrap this video up by saying, if you really like this video, just give it a big thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. I wish you have a really amazing day, and bye.